Hello and good morning, my dear students. I hope that you are fine. We continue our lesson for the first year students. Today we will deal with lesson 4. Our lesson is about prepositions of time. Prepositions of time. As we say in Arabic, ظرف الزمان. So this lesson is very easy, and we will learn when do we put at, in, and on, because we have many prepositions of time. But since you are first year, today we prepare 3 prepositions of time and when do we put them, because in the activity or in the test or in the exam I can give you an activity about the prepositions of the time. The question of the activity is like this: fill in the blanks, fill in as usual. For example, activity 1, fill in the blanks with the right prepositions of the time. I will give you sentences, 4 or 5 sentences, and I will ask you to fill in the blanks with the right prepositions of time, whether you put in or at or on. But the question is, when do we put them? So please my dear student, concentrate with the video, open your books and listen and concentrate and write. Of course you have to write the lesson in your copybook, because maybe you will ask about it for the test, or and you need this lesson. Okay, it's very easy. So we start with the first preposition, at. We use this preposition, or we use it for a specific time. We use it for a specific time, like for example, time. I wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I start studying in Fitya school at 8:30. So we use at for the time, or for the specific time, وقت معين. Weekends and ceremonies. For example, we say at weekend. For example, I play football at weekend. Ceremonies, for example, at Christmas and at Eid. Christmas here, for example, the T is silent letter. We write it, but we do not pronounce it. Okay, is it clear until now? So, number 2, weekend and ceremonies, as I told you. Number 3, meal times. Meal times. For example, we say at dinner, at lunch, at breakfast. Okay. Number 4, we can say, for example, we say at the beginning, veut dire le début, and at the end, la fin. Okay. We continue for the second preposition. The second preposition, which is on. On, we use it for days. For example, weekdays. Weekdays, les jours de la semaine. On Tuesday, on Friday. For example, we have English on Sunday in the morning. We have English on Sunday morning. Is it clear? Weekdays, jour de la semaine. Birthday, l'anniversaire. For example, it's my birthday. It's my birthday on May 6th. It's my birthday on May 6th. Okay? So, we use on for days, for weekdays, birthday, and date of birth. Date of birth, la date de la naissance. La date de la naissance. I was born on May 6th, 2000. For example, I was born, je suis né, on May 6th, 2000. Here in the date of the birth, we write all the dates. Okay, you see, I was born on May, the month 6th, 2000. The third preposition is in. In we use it for periods. In we use it for periods. Les périodes. The first one, months, les mois. For example, in March, in April, in May. Okay. For example, we have a holiday in December. For example, the holiday of winter. Is it clear? Day periods. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon. We have mathematics in the morning. We have French in the afternoon. Okay, is it clear? Days period. And years. In 2019. In 2019, for example, I got my baccalaureate in 2019. Seasons, les saisons. In summer, in winter. In summer, in winter. So that's all for today. The lesson is very easy. Just concentrate with my video, please, and write your lesson, and after I will provide you with activities about prepositions of the time. Thank you very much for your attention, my dear students. I hope that you are fine and you understand my lesson. The lesson is very easy. Just write it in your copybook and concentrate, and I will provide you with the activities. Thank you very much, and goodbye, and see you later with a new lesson.